Start by setting the calipers to 1/4 inch longer than the finished size of the part. Use the thumb screw on the top of the calipers to lock the sliding jaw. Hover the set calipers over the material to find where you should apply the layout die. Apply the layout die in the area where the caliper jaw was. Use the set caliper to scribe a line in the layout die. The first thing to do is check the feed for the machine. This is the brass knob to the lower right of the machine. Pick up on the back end of the saw until it's high enough for the material to slide underneath the blade. Use the handle in the back to move the jaws out to allow the material to go between them. Turn the handle to tighten the jaws onto the material. Adjust the feed controls until the saw blade is close to the material and make sure the blade is going to cut the desired length. Turn the saw on using the toggle switch, then slowly adjust the feed control to start cutting the material. Never hold the material or have a hand close to the blade. Let the material fall off. The motor should shut off once the material is cut off. If it doesn't, flip the power switch down to turn off the machine. Be careful when holding the cut off material, it can be hot or have sharp edges on it. Once you are done, loosen the jaws, remove the material, unplug the cord, and return the saw to the wall. Clean up any mess. When tightening the jaws on short material, the jaws will kick out and not apply any holding force. To solve this problem, grab material the same thickness and place it at the back of the jaws.